And welcome back to Expresso here on SABC3. Now, it's no doubt that South Africa is just brimming with talent. South African actor Luke Tyler has not only graced the screen in 20th Century Fox's Chronicle, but also represented in Dredd 3D, which we saw last week with Karl Urban. Now, last week, we also had the opportunity to chat to Karl Urban, and it's very, very nice to be able to have Luke here in studio with us as we talk about not only Dredd, but also his role in Dark Tide opposite Halle Berry. Good morning, Luke. How are you?
Good morning. It's good to see you.
Very, very good to have you in studio. Now, you know what? I had the opportunity of acting with you back in the day with Aletta Besaidenout. And something that I remember about you is even then we could all see the talent. It was just there. And it's so good to see you doing what you're so passionate about. But where did this passion for acting start?
Geez, I mean, Aletta used to say that you're either born a performer or you're not.
Yeah.
And I mean, the earliest memory that I have of this is stopping a family bride about 3 or 4 to perform Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star for everyone. So I just feel like I found a way to make a career out of it and make some money from it. So you're doing what I love and what I've always done.
And how did you get involved in both of these movies with Dredd and then Dark Tide?
I think it happened because our industry is just, as you said, it's booming and it really is the place to shoot. So it was a pretty standard audition process for both. The only difference being for Dark Tide is that I had to wait the duration of the entire World Cup to hear that I'd even had a callback.
Oh my goodness,
so
that's
it was quite a long wait.
Now we all know the Dark Tide came out about a month ago. What was it like being involved in that movie, acting with Halle Berry? And I know that you've got a very special experience, something that you experienced that was quite special on the set.
Being in the movie as a whole was just phenomenal. It's just one of those experiences that for your first time, you're like, seriously, this is my first time? Working with real sharks on a daily basis for a month here.
Oh my goodness.
And then flying up to Pinewood Studios and shooting next to X-Men First Class and Pirates of the Caribbean. So that was fantastic. And as for that experience, which is becoming more well-known than I am, first day of set, it was rough weather work. We have to just shoot whatever the weather was. And I get horribly seasick. So I thought, do not vomit in front of Halle. Do not do that. Not in front of the Oscar winner. And I couldn't hold it anymore. And I ran to the back of the boat and I let it all out. And I thought, oh, it's over. She'll never look at me the same way.
Oh, my
goodness. And she turned around and she had vomited too. And she kind of and that's exactly what she did to me. Really? She high-fived me and said, at least that's out the way.
Nice. So you have vomit between the two of you.
You know,
really, really
it's a special bond.
I know. You'll never be the same after that. Now, you have, of course, starting with Halle Berry and Olivia Martinez, acted with some A-list stars. You went on to now be in Dredd 3D. Your first action flick, what was that like? Wow,
that was fantastic. We did a couple of stunts and some wire work, gun training. Karl Urban is phenomenal. He really is such a nice guy. It's kind of an unpracticed practice that when camera turns around off the main actor, that the other actor stays there for eyeline. And he did. He insisted on being there for eyeline. He didn't go to his trailer and have a stand in there. So he was just fantastic, so humble and gracious.
That's incredible stuff. Now, I heard a saying once, acting with people that are great makes you great. What have you learned out of this process of having been surrounded by the likes of Halle Berry and Karl Urban as well?
Geez, both of them just a well of knowledge and so generous. Both of them really set the standard high for what I have in my mind now as an A-list actor. Full of poise and grace. And the thing about both of them that I noticed, they're so intelligent. Really, really intelligent people, studied, they know about the world. So I learned so much from them. Wow.
And where do you see yourself going in the future?
I like South Africa, so I'm staying here for the moment.
Yes!
We've got the greatest industry ever, and everyone's coming here to shoot. We've just got the most incredible locations, and our crews are top-notch. We really outclass them, so it's all here for now.
Well done. Well, we'll share you with Hollywood anytime as long as you come back.
Of course.
Luke, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank
your
you.
star is definitely on the rise, and we wish you all the best. Keep your eyes on this young man. He's definitely going places. Luke Tyler, you can see him on Dredd 3D as well as Dark Tide, which came out a month ago, and lots more to come.
Hopefully.
Thank you, Luke. Let's go to the kitchen. I might share what we're making with him. Luke, nice having you here with us.